Mix a borax bait with sweet attractants to kill ants by ingestion and bring the toxin back to the colony. Start by combining 1 tablespoon of borax with 1 cup of boiling water until the powder is fully dissolved, then let the solution cool to room temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of honey or 3 tablespoons of sugar to the cooled solution and stir until uniformly mixed. The sweetener masks the bitter taste of borax, so foraging workers consume it and carry it back to the nest. Transfer small amounts into shallow containers such as bottle caps or eggshells and place them where you see ant trails, but keep them away from children and pets because borax is toxic if eaten. Use gloves and a clean spoon when handling borax to avoid skin contact, and label any leftover solution in a sealed container stored securely. Replenish baits every 2 to 3 days and keep monitoring trails. If activity declines, keep baits in place for another week to ensure nest impact. If you do not see improvement after 10 days, locate and treat nests directly or combine baits with good sanitation and sealing of entry points for lasting control. People often expect immediate disappearance and stop baiting too soon, but patience is required since colony collapse can take days, so keep baits available until activity ceases. Another common mistake is using excessive borax concentration which repels ants, so stick to the recommended ratio of 1 tablespoon per 1 cup of water with a small amount of sweetener to ensure uptake. A third frequent issue is placing baits in open areas where pets or children can access them. The fix is to use discreet, elevated locations or secure covers, such as ventilated containers, that allow ants in but block larger animals. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project help related to pest prevention and repairs. On our site, we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, and we help contractors find work by posting projects and engaging with nearby customers.